The PNI 145PL 145mm with a 4-meter cable and PL259 jack for CB radio stations is not only a reference accessory for installing radio antennas on flat, lobbage roof and metal luggage compartments. The product is compatible with most of the PL connector antenna, including the Midland ML145, the PNI ML145, PNI ML160, PNI ML100, PNI ML70, Sirio Turbo 1000, Sirio Turbo 2000, etc. This magnetic base has a diameter of 145 mm and must be mounted on a flat metallic ceiling to ensure a more efficient grip and to withstand the maximum speeds stated by the manufacturer of 130 to 180 km per hour. Of course, these speeds are relative because they depend on the length and weight of the antenna and are composed of the speed of the car and the speed of the wind in that area, or gusts sometimes caused by trucks. Mounting on an oval or round ceiling, obstructed walking and winding can be the causes of the antenna jumping off the car.